This is the Recon flight we took today. We had some beautiful weather out on the fire. Nice, clear, with a little wind that gave us an opportunity. We're going to go take a look at the Bulge. And that showed you those little red dots were the heat signatures from the previous IR flights. They were flying out to the fire, taking a look at some of the water sources. There was a concern whether we would be able to dip the helicopters or whether that was covered with ice. So that was good to see that there was some opportunities to get water. Here we're at the Bulge. You can see where the fire ran up the ridge. Very, very hot fire there. But you can also see where it stopped right at the ridge. Very little of the fire actually crossed over the ridge. And it's been since we've been here anyway with our team. There's the one heat that's visible on top of the ridge, or just barely over the top of the ridge. That is more than likely a log. We call it a 1,000-hour fuel that's down, and it's still smoldering. So the good news is it really hasn't gone anywhere with all the high winds that you've had in this area, but it's still a concern because it's in the green part of the fire. It's still around other fuel, so we're going to keep a good eye on it. We're going to try to get some helicopters to drop a couple buckets on that. And here we are returning at the airport. So it was a good flight today. There is a little bit of heat out there, certainly not what we're seeing on the imaging flights. We have another IR flight today, so we'll be analyzing that, and we'll be doing some comparative analysis between previous flights to make that the fire is actually cooling off, which we very much anticipate to find on the imaging that comes back today. That's it for today. Thank you.